We have one final trade to get to with Joel Hawthorne, the founder of the Morning Snapshot. Hello to you, Joel, and what is your trader talk and your trade today?
Thanks for having me, Angie. Today I want to talk about a lot of things. One thing in particular is economic data coming out this week. We have CPI reporting, which, if we follow the market closely here, really for most of this entire year, what we've seen is a market that's really been hanging on every word of economic data. And I think CPI is going to be extremely important this week. But particularly, I'm looking at Uber. I think Uber is a name that I really want to follow closely, because if the market continues to be resilient, I think Uber could see another leg higher in the long term.
Would you do an option strategy or just buy shares of Uber?
After this economic data, I would like to see kind of how the market responds to it. And then I think I will look to maybe buy shares. I think right now, just the market will be hanging on every word of the economic data here on Wednesday for CPI. So I would like to wait until then to really kind of really look to see how I can find an ideal price for those shares.
Meme mania still making that comeback with GameStop, AMC, Beyond Meat, Bed Bath & Beyond, all in rally mode. What is your advice?
Well, I think what we're seeing is, as we know, GameStop kind of did a stock split, so their shares have become a little bit more affordable for what I think the individual investor or trader, if you would. But I think the market's just resilience over the past probably 2 weeks, maybe even a month or so, where I think there was so much conversation about the bear market that this rally that we've seen has kind of really brought optimism back into the market for the short term. And I think that's even playing into why that economic data is so important, because if we do see a bit of a rug pull, so to speak, in the market, and sellers kind of come in and risk is being taken off, then I think that could really hurt some traders. So I think caution right now is the key for the long-term trader, the trader that really doesn't have, an unlimited supply of equity that they can continue to put into a market. So I think that's just really, really being risk averse, really being protection is going to be key here for the long haul.
Thank you for that warning, Joel.
Thanks for having me.
Go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.